Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna have a look at how to create custom related products using Query Loop. As you may already know, related products widget from Bricks is not that nice when it comes to design, and it lacks a little bit of customizability. So what we want to do is create custom related products using Query Loop. So let's have a look at how we can do it. So first, we need to create a new section. Here I have a post. Basically, this is already working for me. Here is a product. So we need to create a new section. I'm not gonna spend much time customizing it. I just want to show you proof of concept. So here we have a section and container. In a container, we're gonna insert a div. So let's insert div. And inside of div, we're gonna put an image and heading. So great, that's what we need at the moment. So what we want to do is I'm using frames and ACSS. So what I'm going to do is put a grid. So let's say grid 4. Hopefully when you're watching this video, there's already grid functionality implemented in Bricks. If not, you might need to use CSS, but if it is already in there, that's great. So we have a grid already, so that's great. And let's go to container, and we need to use or enable use query loop. Now we need to go to posts and click post. You can see already we have grid, and now we need to go click products as a post type. And what we need to do now is go down and scroll down, and we need to click on plus taxonomy query. What we need to do is when it comes to taxonomy, we need to click on product categories. Field is going to be name. And terms, we need to go and scroll down to terms, and we need to click on product categories. That's all we need to do. Pretty simple. Now you can see we only have basically one product. So what's left is go to image, select dynamic data, and we need to go and click featured image. You can play around with it, of course, and heading, you can use P, span, or whatever. This is just to show you that it works, and we need to click post title. We can also do maybe price. So let's duplicate this, and we can put a price in here. So let's put price, product price. Right, great. So that's all we need. We can also do, like, I don't know, let's say 8 products, post per page. That's it, and we need to save it. Okay, and we need to have a look at how it looks. So when I scroll down, there is only one. So let me pull up quickly some product. Let's say this one. Pull out product, and you can see this is already working, which I already have, and this is the new thing. Of course, it's ugly, you need to style it, but it is working. So you can see it works. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you like it, you can like it. You can subscribe if you want. It helps me to create more and motivates me to create more. So consider that, and that's it for today's video. See you next time.